Mr. Supora, you mentioned quite a lot of gaps in terms of provisions for elderly people. You mentioned the need for young people to start investing in themselves for the future. You mentioned the need for an entire paradigm shift. You know, so many different programs are out there, but somehow they're not working, in your opinion. So now, what do you think from an individual level can be done? If I as an individual can go and try solve one problem that deals with elderly people, what is it?
Personally, I can say that you can do something in your own space. We live in a community where there are elderly people. Because we are young people, we still have innovative minds. So I feel we can come with, or we can develop a program that can boost the morale, that can energize the elderly people to engage in a certain project, that the project which in the long run will benefit them and benefit the entire community. And also in the different platforms that we serve or we have influence on, we can also channel the advocate, we can advocate for the betterment of the elderly population. That's my opinion. Yeah. Any more comments from the audience? So what do you think? What do you think you can do as a young person? We have an elderly person. We have the programs. What can you do?
Okay. As you said, we have to advocate. I think the best way as young people is to advocate for some programs that can make a change in elderly people. And yeah, that will maybe help them. But I have a question. You mentioned that elderly, destitute people, they have some challenges like their sight, they lose their hearing, whatever. But what do you think can be done to those people? Like the program, like for taking them out of that poverty, what can they do for themselves if they have those problems?
Yeah. What I can say, because even we have we have the literacy levels in this population is very, very low, and I feel we need to give a little bit of training, because you cannot initiate a program to the elderly population in which they can't read, they can't write. So I think we can take it from that foundation to say we train them on the basics, so that the message, there's no language barrier. Yeah, I think we need to, and we also need to do a little bit of assertiveness training. Yes, to build our confidence. Yes.